For centuries, in Welsh medieval literature, there was a striking figure prophesied, a long-expected saviour awaited by many over long years. The Mab Darogan, the son of destiny, would arise with great strength and reclaim the kingdom for his peoples, granting them freedom and prosperity once again. Some had thought him to be Arthur, the legendary ancient king. Others, Llywelyn the Great, or his grandson Llywelyn ein Lliw Olaf, Llywelyn the Last. Still later, others looked to Owain Llaw Goch to return from France and liberate the land, and Owain Glyndŵr from the line of the kings of Powys, and even Henry VII, after his decisive victory at Bosworth Field, was spoken of as possible sons of this prophecy. And yet, all these men, for all their strength and prowess, have come and gone with the tide.